They call it the Big Bang for a reason. I emerged from that primal roar around 10,000 ancient campfires, stomping my feet to the drums and flutes of old. I thought I'd found my rhythm, but then I kissed the wooden chamber walls and realized I was just getting started. I flowed through the saxes and trumpets of Harlem. I jammed at Monterey, spread peace at Woodstock, and sowed magic on a long, strange trip. I sung wonder into the ears of a child, pumped between the dance floor walls, and made the old feel young once again. There is no end to my journey. I invent and reinvent myself to share the joy I know and spread the truth I have found. That the world is a dance, a rhythm, the tune of evolution. That life is a song, and I am sound.